All right, so my understanding was we had a little technical difficulty there, but we're back now. So thanks for bearing with us on that. Still with me is civil rights attorney and former prosecutor Emeka Igwe and human behavior expert and jury consultant Susan Constantine. Let me start off by, I do a lot of social media now because of this trial. I've been doing some radio hits where I'm doing call-in shows. And a lot of people have expressed concern about this idea, Susan, I'll start with you, about these jurors who have relationships with police officers. And they're concerned that that might cause some bias. And I want to call on both of your experience, but I'm going to start with you, Susan. How should attorneys look at that? This idea that this relationship with police could affect the way they look at this trial. And we know that they brought in the top cop to come in and testify. How might that affect their view?
Well, it really depends on how they feel about the people that they know, whether they like the cop or a family member, or they didn't like him, whether they had a good experience or a bad experience with them.
Well,
But
let's assume it's a
overall,
positive. I think most of them,
so it's
they're
most
families,
positive.
friends, or something of that nature.
Yes. So early on, and I think that the other guests will attest to this too. Anytime we hear a potential juror talk about that they have a family member in law enforcement, automatically it's a big strike no. So it makes people feel very uncomfortable because of their relationship with police officers, because they tend to be more authoritarian. And with that being said, that may be a real problem in any sort of jury trial.
Emeka, let me go to you because, were you surprised that 4 people with relationships with police officers, and again, I think one was a son-in-law, one was a good friend, and then a couple of people had friend of friends who were in the MPD, but weren't aware of them and knew them. Were you surprised that they made it through this far? Because I can tell you, a lot of people have a lot of concern about that.
Michael, absolutely. I mean, one of the first things you look at is if someone has a relationship with law enforcement, either through family members, friends, or any experience. Usually, if it's a non-police case, the defense is looking to strike that person because that person is going to appear to be more likely to side with the prosecution. In this particular case, this is an unusual case because in this case, as you just mentioned, you actually have the police chief. You've seen other police officers come in and say that what Derek Chauvin did was excessive and is not in line with the policies and procedures. So it's a little different in this case where as a defense, you would want someone, who is more likely to side with police, but with the prosecution, you don't mind that you have people who sided with the police because you have a police chief and said what Derek Chauvin did was wrong.
No question about it. All right, I want to play another quick sound bite. This is from juror number 52. We know her as the oldest woman. She's about 60. I think she is 60. She's a grandma. Actually, this is juror number 91, excuse me. And she is in her 60s. She's a black woman. And I want to listen to a little what she has to say. She's also one of those people who has someone in the family who is a police officer, someone she said she was very proud of. But let's take a listen.
You were asked a couple of questions in terms of both Black Lives Matter and Blue Lives Matter. And with respect to Black Lives Matter, you had a very favorable response, and you wrote, "I am black and my life matters."
It does.
Absolutely. Are you familiar with like the more organizational or political organization Black Lives Matter?
Not real familiar, no. Just know what I've seen and heard.
Okay. Now, in Blue Lives Matter, you had a more neutral approach or view of them, and you say everyone is important, and my family member is a police officer.
Correct.
Right. So you'd agree with, I guess, the premise that all lives matter.
Yes.
That was actually probably my favorite part of the voir dire when she said, "I'm black and my life matters." I think I thought that was fantastic. But I want to get from you first, Emeka, how do you think she's processing specifically the testimony, the emotional testimony early on from the bystanders? And I'm thinking back to Darnella, who she was 17 at the time, and she talked about how guilty she felt and why it was important to her because she can see her uncle, her cousin, her friends on the ground there in the person of George Floyd. And I'm wondering how you think she's taking in this information.
She's going to take it very personal. It's hard not to hear that kind of testimony from bystanders, for someone saying that could have been, my dad, or that could have been someone that I knew. It's hard not to hear that kind of emotional testimony and not be affected. At the end of the day, these jurors, even though they want to be objective and follow the law, they're also human, and they're subject to emotions. And that's the reason why the prosecution started their case with that emotional, powerful video and testimony from people who could relate to George Floyd. And that's how they're going to end their case, with people who are going to talk about the spark of life, what kind of person George Floyd was, because the prosecution recognizes the powerful impact of having those people connect to the jury.
Now, Susan, we had talked earlier about that particular juror, thinking that maybe she could emerge as a leader amongst this jury. And I think part of why that might happen, and why I was happy that she got on this jury, was because she could provide a certain perspective from that sort of older black woman point of view. How do you think she's going to play into this jury and their overall dynamics?
When I listen to just her voice in itself, it's very calming. So you couple that with her age, her experience, and she also appears very neutral. So she looks at all lives matter. And the other thing is that what I hear in her voice is that, she's looking at this like from a perspective, if that were someone that was in my family member, someone that I care. So she has a high level of compassion, empathy. But the only thing is that will she have the strength to pull the group together? Her voice is so calming and so likable. She almost has that kind of grandmothery way about her. Is that, are they going to feel like she's going to be authoritative enough to be able to take control in that jury room? Or because I think that she has the rapport with people. I think that she'd get along with a great in the jury room. I think that she would listen to everyone else's thoughts and opinions and be able to orchestrate all of that. The only thing that I think about is that, is she going to have the strength when she gets, when the emotions and the comments start flowing, does she really have what it takes?
Yeah, that's a good point. Emeka, I think the person that's going to take that role is really the cardiac nurse. She's one that we've heard from all reporters there. She's been paying rapt attention during this scientific testimony. And I think in many ways, this scientific testimony is really the heart and soul of this case. I mean, clearly, I don't think they have much of a case to stand on in the excessive force. We heard all the emotion. But in terms of that, I think that nurse is going to be a very important juror.
Yeah.
Absolutely, Mike. I won't be surprised if she's named the foreperson of the jury. She really seems like she's a natural leader. She's paying attention. And like you said, the jury is going to depend on someone who has that medical background, that scientific background, because that's what it's going to come down to. It's going to come down to whether or not what Derek Chauvin did was a substantial causal factor in the death of George Floyd. And in order to get to that element, you're going to have to deal with the science that we've heard so far.
Yeah, and my understanding is she's been actually nodding her head along with some of the experts as if she understands exactly what they're saying. So again, I agree with you. She could emerge as someone very important. All right, we're going to take a quick break, and when we come back, what do you think? What evidence is proving either side's case to this particular jury? We'll have some of your comments in our Talkback segment right after this break. Stay with us here on Court TV. Hello and welcome back to Court TV Live. I'm Michael Ayala. It is time for our Talkback segment. Each day we post a question on my Facebook page and on CourtTV.com, as well as our other social media outlets, Twitter and YouTube, and we gather some of your responses, your issues, your questions, and we try to respond to them right here on the show. Today's question was, what evidence or testimony will be most influential to the jury? And still with me to help me out here is civil rights attorney and former prosecutor Emeka Igwe, and human behavior expert and jury consultant Susan Constantine. All right, first comment of the night, Terry Asher Bundy. She says, priceless video. Thank God we had cell phones used the right way for all to see. And Emeka, I'm going to start with you because I've had this conversation with a couple of people who actually disagreed with me, but I know you'll agree with me that without that video, I don't think we have a case.
Without that video, what you would likely hear is the officers were in reasonable fear of their lives. They would subjectively feel that they had to use force in order to subdue someone who was being violently resistant. And we know that that's what happens in a lot of these police excessive use of force cases resulting in death. In this case, you have a video from multiple angles, before and after. It's very unusual, and a lot of people have to wonder that if you can't convict, we know it's hard to convict a police officer in this country. It's rarely ever done. If you can't convict a police officer based upon all the evidence and the video evidence specifically, then can any officer be convicted of, any white officer be convicted of killing a black victim?
That would certainly be a fair question. Susan Constantine, I want to ask you a quick question, a couple of questions actually. First one, what type of juror do you look for when you do get a police case? Because I think it's always difficult, especially in the case where you don't have a video, to ask jurors to step into the shoes of officers, which is what they have to do in police cases, which I think is part of what makes them so hard to prosecute.
So what is your question?
So my question is, what do you look for in a juror that's going to be willing to do that and make that determination, or be willing to step into and substitute their decision-making for police officers in the field?
Well, they have to have, number one, the respect for the law. And also, I think that the video, when we were talking about earlier, was a paramount. The video spoke more volume than anything. The visual presentation of what we saw is what is going to really solidify this case. It's so powerful, the visual aspect of it all. And when you're seeing a police officer holding his neck down, and that visual impact is so strongly embedded into the person's subconscious mind, it's really hard for them to think about anything else. And when they've seen something so horrific in that video. So when you're looking at a police officer doing this, this is holding him down, and you're seeing someone that's taking the video of this all happening and listening to the victim crying out to his mother, and looking at three different people, three different officers holding him down, it's really a very visual presentation. And we know that most most jurors are visual learners. So if they're visual learners, they're basing 61% of that entire jury is basing their opinion based on the visual aspect of what they saw. The second part of it is how it actually made them feel, putting themselves in that position. And this was a police officer that was holding him down. And this is what's making it very difficult, because so many people, especially right now, are having such an issue with all of the movements that are happening.
All right, let's move on to our next statement of the night. Martin Jones said, Dr. Baker, saying, this man seems to be the only one who captures the truth. As a whole, very interesting. He certainly helped the defense in a big way. That's interesting. Emeka, I want to check in on you on this one. I was wondering what effect it might have. We heard all these other wonderful experts for the prosecution. Then you have this guy who's sort of, he doesn't give them exactly what they want. It can play into their case. I wonder if it vitiates everything else that this jury has heard before that.
Yes, and there's a reason why the prosecution put him as last witness. They bolstered his testimony with other witnesses, including another forensic pathologist, before presenting Dr. Baker. And I think they knew that Dr. Baker, while he gave them ultimately the conclusion they were looking for, he still was ambiguous enough to allow the defense to come in. And the defense needs to create reasonable doubt in the prosecution's case. And any ambiguity, any vagueness gives them room to make that argument. And I would expect the defense in their case in chief to present their expert forensic pathologist, who is going to say that George Floyd died as a result of a combination of either fentanyl, meth, coronary heart disease, high blood pressure, all of those things, in order to cast doubt, reasonable doubt in the prosecution's case.
No doubt about it. I certainly wouldn't have put that doctor on as the last person before the weekend, but that's how it turned out. All right, thank you so much to Susan Constantine and Emeka Igwe for being with us and for providing your expertise tonight. Truly appreciate it.